I'm Amy and this is Mark. Over the last couple of years, as the kids were getting older, we thought that we needed an extra space for them to hang out with their mates and also a place for family to stay. So we thought this would be a perfect solution to have a cabin in the backyard.
We modified the cabin to suit our needs by making it a little bit wider and a little bit shorter. We removed an internal wall. We added a barn door to the bathroom. Once the design process was complete, we received a 3D render so we could visualise and review our decisions. We didn't build the cabin ourselves, but the construction company took about a week from beginning to end.
We love how it's got a solid quality feel about it, and also the exposed beams on the ceiling. We also love the double glazed doors and windows, which really insulates the cabin, which makes it quite soundproof. And is there anything else? Oh, we also love our barn door. We absolutely love the overall feel of this cabin. It's better than we ever had imagined it would be, and it's a great space for our family and friends, which will be used for many years to come.
We'd definitely recommend it for anyone looking for an extra space in their house.